Good morning. I am awfully starved this morning, awfully hungry this morning, so I'm going to fry me a couple eggs here. My dog's in the background playing this morning. It's dark. It's dark in the house. Need some more light. It's dirty. I'm going to fry me up a couple eggs here. And I'm making me a bagel. And my dogs. They're happy I'm home. Today is Friday. Dropped my dish towel on the floor. Today is Friday. It is approximately 8:30 in the morning. I have already showered, getting ready for the day. Not really sure what I'm going to do today. Let me turn my eggs down a little bit. But tonight is Olivia's last home game for football game, so I'm excited to get to go about that. I get to go about that. Listen at me. I'm already acting crazy. I get to go to that. I need a knife for my bagel. I am off today and I'm tickled to death. Don't you dare stick on me. There we go. Gotta wiggle it around. Actually, I'm off till Sunday. Off till Monday. So that makes me even more happy. Not really sure what I'm going to do today. I know that I do need to clean my house, that's for sure. What have you got? Something you know you're not supposed to have. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Bad. I'm gonna kick some dog butt here soon. I gotta wash my hands. Don't let my eggs burn. Don't let my eggs overcook. Dealing with you fools. Look at them. Look at them. Look. They know they're in trouble. Look at that. Crazy dogs. They had something chewing on it. That's how you can tell. Because Roscoe always goes and gets in his cage when he has something he shouldn't have. Look at that. Almost overcooked my eggs because of you two. Acting a fool this morning. Put a little salt on my eggs. I'm excited about these eggs. A little bit of pepper on them. Look how pretty they are. I make some of the best eggs. I had to learn to make really good eggs because my husband don't like none of that brown crispy stuff on his. They had to be perfectly white. Now I'm just going to let those, I'm going to turn them off and push them back and let the yolks continue to cook for just a few minutes. And that way you ensure that your total egg is done and they're not all nasty and jacked up and crispy. Here my bagels just popped up. These are going to be hot. I gotta reach across the table. Ooh, hot. Look at that. I got an everything bagel. You can smell it all. Woo! Jiminy Christmas, that's hot. But they've got everything on. Oh, jeez. They've got the onions and the sesame seeds, and it's got some crazy stuff in there. I don't even know what it is, but it's good. And then I've got the, look at that. Who done that? I'm gonna lick the container. Gotta lick it. I've got the Philadelphia whipped original, can you see it? Cream cheese. It's dark in here. I am so sorry. And you know what? I haven't vlogged or cooked anything in about, seems like about 2 weeks, but I've had a lot going on. I don't play. I like a lot of whipped cream, or cream cheese on my bagel. Mmm. I don't know what that is. There's like little seeds in there. Alright, you two. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Probably in there fighting over a bone. Look at my two beautiful eggs. Look at that. They're perfectly done. You better get down. I don't even know what you think you're doing, girl. This is my breakfast. Look at that. She's about to lick my eggs. Get back. So this is what I'm having. Look at this. Look, look, look. Look, look, look. Eggs and bagel. I'm hungry this morning. And I'm really mad because hot. That's good. I use my Keurig every morning. And I ran out of coffee. Oh my God, I got 1 cup this morning. What are you doing? Look at this. She's such a beggar. They ate. They ate. She would eat non-stop. Mmm. I like my eggs a little runny. I see that. Look at that. Mmm. I like when you cut into it and all that egg juice runs out. Mmm. Delicious. Apparently somebody else likes it too. You ain't getting none of my breakfast. You ate. It's the first thing I do in the morning is feed these hounds. Mmm. 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 That's so good. Mmm. But yeah, I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't cooked anything. I'm going to cook something for you today. I have got some pork chops laid out. Get back. Your elbow's going into my leg. Dogs do have elbows, right? I need to knock them. Get back. I don't trust her. I will jump on the table and get my eggs. But I've got some pork chops laid out this morning. I am going to cook some... I think I got to sneeze. Why you look cockeyed? I'm going to cook some pork chops and some onions and like a brown gravy to go over it. I already have a smothered pork chop on my channel here, and it's one of those real quick videos, tutorial like things where I'm not really talking or anything. Yeah, I know you guys like that. Like a little 3 or 4 minute video. You need to watch that. Those are phenomenal. Mmm. But today I'm just doing something simple for you. Just some pork chops and onions with a little bit of beef stock. They're going to be so delicious. Let me tell you what's been going on in my life the last couple weeks. Olivia had homecoming, not last week, but the week before, and she looked absolutely breathtaking. Oh my gosh. I could cry right now thinking about how pretty she was. I'm not sure if I uploaded that to my Instagram, but I will. Her pictures, they are so beautiful. I think I may have done one, but get back. Make my nose run. Something make my nose run. But we had that, and then I don't even remember what we did last weekend. Oh, I remember now. I kicked back and drank a few beers. Yeah, that's why I don't remember. But I had fun. A little date night with the husband. You know. What I'm going to say about that. What else do we do? I've just been working. That's all I've been doing is working. Working. This bagel's so good. Oh, you know what? I had never been to Aldi's. I went to Aldi's last weekend. Thank you, Pink Fairy, for always going to Aldi's. Made me want to go and check it out. I was impressed. I was so impressed. We still spent a buttload of money. I spent over $200 at Aldi's. How the hell do you do that? We like kids in a candy store there. But we got a lot of good stuff. They have these packs of broccoli. They're the steamables. They're only like 79 or 89 cents a pack. I only got like, I think I got 2 of them. I'm going back and getting more because those are phenomenal. I steamed mine in the bag. I took it to work the other night and I put some butter in it. It was really, really good. I promise you, really good. And they had these huge pizzas. So you can even see. Just imagine one hand over here, one over here. Huge, massive pizzas for like $5.99. It was good. It was so good. You know, for a frozen pizza. But I was really surprised of, you know, how cheap they are. The eggs were like 40-some cents a dozen. I got this big loaf of sourdough bread. I'll show you what's left of it. This is what's left of it. I think I only paid like $1.69 for it. This is so good. We was eating it as soon as we got home. Olivia loved that. What else? We got a lot of groceries. A lot of groceries. That I have a big announcement to make. On to a different note. But I'm not going to do it until what I ordered comes in. So that I can share it with you. Okay, see what some of this stuff is. Oh my God, that thing lived. I smashed like a... Oh, it crawled out and died. I feel horrible. I couldn't see what it was because I didn't have my glasses on. I feel terrible now. Oh, it's moving. It looks like a baby moth. I thought it was a spider, so I thought I smashed it, and now it crawled out of the napkin. It's just a baby. And it's injured. And you know it's gonna die. But I guess I deserve watching that after what I've done to it. I don't believe in just killing things unless it's like some big, huge spider. You know, just because they have the potential to bite you and it can get really ugly. Spiders have really ugly bites, but I don't believe in just going and killing something, and I shouldn't have done that. Now I feel awful. Now my Friday is ruined. But it's still alive. It's still moving around. You know, I am a nurse. Maybe I could give it some CPR or something. But anyway. Tennis was over last night. Now she's on to something else. So I'm going to be busy running her there, too. But I'm going to jump off here and eat. I do have an announcement to make, but I will wait and make that when what I have purchased arrives. And I'm hoping I have some people that'll join in with me because I've got to do something. But I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, keep it to yourself. Just my motto. If you can't be nice, you can't say something nice, don't say anything at all. Didn't your mama teach you that? But anyway, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to be cooking for you later. I'm excited about it. You should be excited about it. I hope you're trying all my recipes because they are phenomenal. If you don't believe they're so phenomenal, then you need to look at some of the comments below on all my recipes. They are amazing. I'm going to throw something quick and easy together for you today. Got a review I want to do. Hope to do some more vlogging this weekend. So with that being said, look at all the cream cheese on that. Be jealous. You know I love you guys also very much. I appreciate you. I love you. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Good.